Hi guys, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to explain how many internet computer I think you'll need to be a millionaire, and stay watching as I will give my detailed price prediction for the next bull run. I will cover ICP's tokenomics as well as key points to consider and the future outlook for the internet computer network. And I'll also compare internet computer and Ethereum's ecosystem, so keep watching to see which blockchain comes out on top. The information in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About internet computer. Internet computer is a decentralized blockchain cloud infrastructure project with the vision to be the first worldwide computer that will decentralize the existing World Wide Web and provide a foundation for transforming the internet. The Internet Computer is an independent network controlled by ICP token holders. It was founded by Dominic Williams and launched to the public on the 10th of May 2021 by the Divinity Foundation, who are a Swiss-based not-for-profit organisation who continue to support ICP to this day. The main innovation behind ICP is chain key cryptography, which is a combination of advanced cryptographic mechanisms that enable Internet Computer to achieve unlimited scalability that is currently impossible on other blockchains. The Internet Computer's main use case is to improve on the major challenges faced for users on the Internet today, including poor system security and misuse of personal user data, and they look to achieve this through their decentralized blockchain approach, which has no central authority controlling it. The protocol consists of a number of key components working together, which include the Internet Computer Consensus, which is divided into 4 layers, including an identity layer, a beacon layer, a blockchain layer, and a notary layer. Neurons, which allow users to stake ICP tokens to vote on governance proposals, and cycles, otherwise known as gas, which are used by developers to pay for costs on the network. What I think makes the Internet Computer Protocol unique is it is fully compatible with smart contracts, making it available for decentralized application development on-chain, which means developers can interact with smart contracts directly from a browser, like you would on a regular website. ICP is the native digital utility token of the Internet Computer Protocol and is used to pay for transaction fees on the network and as a governance token, which allows token holders to stake their ICP tokens and in return vote on any future development proposals on the network. ICP's all-time high price at time of recording is $700, which was achieved on its launch day in May 2021. ICP Supply and Tokenomics. Internet Computer was launched with a total max supply of 509 million tokens and has a current circulating supply of 448 million tokens. The ICP token is primarily used as a utility token to pay transaction fees on the network, and also as a governance token, which allows holders to stake their ICP tokens and in return vote on future plans and development proposals on the network. The initial token distribution of ICP was as follows. 23.86% is allocated to Divinity Foundation, 9.5% is allocated to early contributors, 7% is allocated to strategic investors, 3.79% is allocated to strategic partnerships, 0.8% is allocated to community airdrop, 4.96% is allocated to pre-sale, 0.49% is allocated to initial community and developer grants, 24.72% is allocated to seed donations, 0.22% is allocated to node operators, 4.26% is allocated to Internet Computer Association, 18% is allocated to team members, and lastly 2.4% is allocated to advisors and third parties. One important point to mention when it comes to governance and voting rights for token holders who stake their ICP is the voting power level is determined by 2 main factors, the number of ICP staked and the duration of the staking period. So as an example, staking a large number of ICP for the maximum period of 8 years will have greater voting rights than someone who is only staking a small amount for say 3 months. The reason for this is to incentivize stakers to hold and stake ICP for a longer time frame, and the daily reward staking holders receive increases massively the longer you stake ICP, as the attached diagram shows. Key points of Internet Computer. Internet Computer has several benefits that make it a great blockchain, including seamless scalability. The Internet Computer is built to enable seamless scalability. This will ensure it has no scalability limitations when it comes to the number of users and applications growing over time. Speed. The Internet Computer is very fast. It can process up to 11,500 transactions per second with a 1-second finality. Open source. The Internet Computer is 100% open source, meaning its source code and software are available to use by the public. Security. The Internet Computer's decentralized network of nodes ensures the highest level of security for users. Internet Computer versus Ethereum. The Internet Computer and Ethereum are both decentralized blockchains and are similar in the fact that they both have a wide range of use cases, including DeFi, gaming, and supply chain management. However, ICP's aim is to improve existing blockchains and make them faster and less expensive, rather than actually replacing blockchains like Ethereum. Ethereum uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, and Internet Computer uses chain key technology and a threshold relay consensus mechanism. Both have their advantages, but the infrastructure of Internet Computer enables for unlimited scalability, which puts it ahead of Ethereum. In terms of transactions per second, Internet Computer can process up to 11,500 transactions per second with a block finality time of 1 second, and Ethereum can process between 15 and 30 transactions per second with a block finality time of 14 minutes. So Internet Computer is by far more superior blockchain when it comes to transaction speed. Lastly, when it comes to energy usage, Ethereum uses around 238 kilowatt an hour per transaction, and Internet Computer uses 1.3 kilowatt an hour per transaction, making Internet Computer more energy efficient. To conclude, when it comes to transaction speed, scalability, and energy efficiency, Internet Computer wins in all of these areas. But Ethereum is a more established blockchain with a larger ecosystem and community currently. Internet Computer Web3 projects. The Internet Computer has a number of projects currently built on its ecosystem in areas such as DeFi, games, and metaverse. Starting with games, we can see a number of available projects including BoomDAO, an all-in-one Web3 game platform, and Plethora, which is a Web3 platformer with the goal of rewarding users both gameplay and NFTs. In the DeFi space, we can see available projects including Bitfinity EVM, which is an Ethereum virtual machine compatible to allow for smart contracts to be deployed on the Internet Computer, and Orally, the full on-chain oracles allowing for seamless real-world data integration across various platforms. Lastly, in the metaverse, we can see available projects including Open Internet Metaverse, which allows users to create virtual spaces in 3D, and Scooge Universe, a fashion-centric gamified metaverse platform. How many ICP to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Okay, so before we look at the price prediction for ICP in the next bull run, let's remind ourselves of ICP's previous all-time high price, which was $700. It should be said, not every altcoin is going to make a new all-time high, and I do feel this is the case with ICP, as it would need to get to a market cap of over 300 billion in next bull run to reach this previous high price, which I don't think is going to be possible given the dilution and the competition. With this said, I think Internet Computer does have a groundbreaking technology, and if we look at the current market cap of one of its competitors, Ethereum, we can see that the current market cap of Ethereum is around 245 billion, and this is in the bear market. So during the next bull run, we would assume Ethereum's market cap will be much higher, given its all-time high price was $4,891. On the conservative end of my price prediction, ICP could increase its price overall to around 44 billion, which is still a lot less than Ethereum's bear market cap, and this would give ICP a price of $100. On a very bullish price prediction, if ICP was able to get to a market cap of around 89 billion, which if I'm being honest, I don't personally think will be possible in the next bull run, but this would give it a price of $200. I believe a price prediction of $100 ICP is possible in the next bull run. But how many ICP would you need to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Using CoinStats, a crypto profit calculator, if we enter the current price and the predicted sell price of $100, we can see it would require a significant investment of $43,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. If we do the same again, but this time set the sell price at the very high end of our price target prediction of $200, you would need an investment of around $21,500 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. At the $100 price prediction, you would need to buy around 9,900 ICP, which is an investment of $43,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. At the very high end of our $200 price prediction, you would need to buy around 4,900 ICP, which is an investment of 21,500 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. Internet Computer Future Outlook. I believe Internet Computer's future outlook looks really promising. If you think about what it's trying to achieve, it's looking to change the way the whole internet system works in the future for the better. And its tokenomics are very good, with over 89% of ICP tokens now in circulation. Internet Computer is also backed by the Divinity Foundation, who have one of the largest development teams in the world, which can only help them further in moving towards achieving their long-term goals. One thing to mention, which would have me slightly concerned, is the ICP price hasn't really been able to gain any traction since it launched at the high price of $700 back in May 2021. You can see from the attached table that the price is currently down around 99%, and in crypto there is never any guarantee a project will fully recover or see anywhere near those highs again, so this is something you need to consider before investing. With all this said, Internet Computer does have an impressive blockchain. Its technology is secure, fast, and with it being a newer project, it has real potential, so it's definitely one I will be watching to see if it can continue to grow and gain further adoption in the near future. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, I think you'll like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified when I post my next video. Thank you.